All right, so here's how to create a test or quiz in the LMS. So we've got this test here that's in Word, and now we want to bring it into the LMS. So the nice thing is it might take a little bit of figuring out how the questions work, but essentially you can copy and paste directly into here. So from your home page, you can go to quizzes up here in your bar. And then you're going to go new quiz. If you want to create a brand new quiz, you can even just copy Command C and paste. There we go. Categories. This is if you've created units or categories within your LMS. You can add those. You can always create a new category. Here, if you want to give a description or some instructions on your on the beginning of your test or quiz, you can expand these and provide some instructions. You can link to various things. So if you've got content in there, if you want to give oral explanations, you can upload those oral instructions into the content section, and then you can link to those. You can just type it in, you can add images, all that kind of stuff. So now we're going to go to this add and edit questions, and we're going to go to new, and here you have all sorts of different types of questions. So you've got true, false, multiple choice, anything like that. So let's say we're doing this part B where you've got specific instructions for the questions. Then you've got each sentence that's given to you, and you've got to modify it in some way. So that'll be a short answer question. So in here, if we look under options, we can provide a short description. So what we'll do for the description is we will just copy this, because these are the instructions for that question. Okay, and then here your text question can be with these here. So we'll copy, paste, and we'll just keep going down the line. I'll just do a couple of these. Say we'll do 3. Okay, so we've got our 3 questions here. Now we want to have our spaces for our answers. So these will be our blanks. And then this is the marks, right? So right now, this entire question is worth 1 mark, but we want to assign 1 mark per, or let's say we're assigning 1 mark per answer. So then we're going to have a total of 3 points for this question. And you'll see here that students receive 1 point per blank. Now, if you want, the other option is that they must answer all of the blank answers correctly in order to get the marks. So we'll just leave that as is. That's your choice. So we'll go save. Oh, sorry. You need to put in the correct answer, because the quiz here will mark the test for you, which is a really nice feature. So we can see here, this is kind of a preview of what the quiz will look like, and then you provide your answer. So I'm just going to cancel. And then as you save your questions, the test or the quiz will build itself here. You can go done editing questions, and then from here you can right, so now to share that quiz, I believe you're going to go to course home. You can create a new news item, and then from here you can write your instructions and provide a link to your quizzes. And here they are. There you go. And now the students can click on this and complete the quiz. If you have any other questions, just let me know.